From the given figure, what is the length x, if the red dot is the center of the center? Cyclic quadrilateral theorem, trigonometric identities, area of a triangle. Basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Solution. Label C, D, E and G with center O. Let angle D, C, G be equals to theta. This implies that angle G, E, D equals 180 degrees minus theta. It is because opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Join line D, G from triangle G, E, D using cosine rule. The square of line D, G equals the sum of the square of line G, E and the square of line D, E minus 2 times the product of line G, E and line D, E multiply by cosine 180 degrees minus theta. Substitute values and we have that the square of line D, G equals the sum of the square of 11 and the square of 14 minus 2 times the product of 11 and 14 multiply by cosine 180 degrees minus theta. Simplify. The square of line D, G equals the sum of 317 and 308 multiply by cosine 180 degrees minus theta. We call it equation 1. By trigonometric identity, cosine 180 degrees minus theta equals negative cosine theta. Substitute in equation 1. This implies that the square of line D, G equals 317 minus 308 times cosine theta. We call it equation 2. By trigonometric identity, line D, G divided by line C, G equals tan theta. Substitute value of line C, G. It follows that line D, G divided by 6 equals tan theta. We call it equation 3. Square the equation. The square of line D, G divided by the square of 6 equals tan square theta. This implies that the square of line D, G divided by 36 equals tan square theta. Hence, the square of line D, G equals 36 times tan square theta. We call it equation 4. Equate equation 2 and equation 4. This implies that 36 times tan square theta equals 317 minus 308 times cosine theta. We call it equation Y. By trigonometric identity, the sum of 1 and tan square theta equals secant square theta. It follows that tan square theta equals secant square theta minus 1. Which equals 1 over cosine square theta minus 1. Substitute in equation Y. Hence, 36 times tan square theta equals 317 minus 308 times cosine theta. After simplification, this implies that 36 divided by cosine square theta minus 36 equals 317 minus 308 times cosine theta.
Multiply the equation by cosine square theta. It follows that 36 minus 36 times cosine square theta equals 317 times cosine square theta minus 308 times the cube of cosine theta. Collect the like terms. Hence, 308 times cube of cosine theta minus 353 times cosine square theta plus 36 equals 0. After simplification of values. By solving the cubic equation, we have that cosine theta equals negative 2 over 7 or 63 plus 3 times the square root of 89, all divided by 88 or 63 minus 3 times the square root of 89, all divided by 88. Since CGD is a right triangle, theta is an acute angle. Hence, cosine theta equals 63 minus 3 times the square root of 89, all divided by 88. This is the only value that satisfied cosine theta with respect to its position in the given figure. Consider triangle CGD. Line CG divided by line C. D equals 6 divided by x equals cosine theta. Substitute the value of cosine theta obtained. We have that 6 divided by x equals 63 minus 3 times the square root of 89, all divided by 88. Cross-multiply and solve for x. We have that the product x and 63 minus 3 times the square root of 89 equals 6 times 88. This implies that x equals 6 times 88, all divided by 63 minus 3 times the square root of 89. Rationalize the denominator. Simplify so that the final result is x equals to half the sum of 21 and the square root of 89 in units, or 15.22 units to 2 decimal places.